that in our administration, you are the guys who will run our embassies abroad. Yeah. So that it is easy for you because you love your country and you know your way around here and you have the networks and you understand exactly what needs to be done and you don't need anybody to teach you. And I think we'll have very, very impactful and efficient diplomatic representation of our country abroad if we involve the people who are living in those countries and who understand what goes on. So I want to partner with you. Others, you come back home and join us in the national government. Come and take a job as a PS, come and be a CEO. If you have succeeded here, I was in the Silicon Valley the day before yesterday, the whole day. I went to Google, I went to Meta. Wow. The center of innovation, the whole world. I found 35 Kenyans at Meta, senior executives who are driving innovation and creativity, who are driving that big corporate. They know what needs to be done on artificial intelligence. They know exactly what we can do to make Kenya a very serious tech hub that will be admired by the rest of the continent. And they are doing it in America and they have succeeded. Then back home, the Minister for ICT is William Kabogo. Aren't you embarrassed? Surely. Surely. We don't need to look far. We have Kenyans who can transform our country. Those guys I found there at Silicon Valley, I met some top executives there, Kenyans. They are the ones who are driving that valley on matters ICT, others in manufacturing, others in medicine. We have enough capacity as Kenya of people who are experienced with a proven track record to help us transform our country. Yet we just go and pick fellows who have no idea as to what they are doing. So I want to look to the diaspora for a great resource of people who can help us transform our country, because I think it's the right thing to do. And I'm asking, help us to mobilize our support back home for a true transformation of our country. And Wakesa, our cousin, the Mlebe nation is good.